Content analytics and optimization. As a content creator or marketer, it is important to constantly evaluate and adopt your strategies for maximum impact. This is where data insights come into play. By analyzing data and metrics, you can better understand your audience and create content that resonates with them. In this tutorial, we will go through the steps of optimizing your content based on data insights. Being an experienced content creator and marketer, I have realized that creating content that resonates with your audience is not an easy task. It requires in-depth analysis of data, trends, and patterns. Step 1. Gather the data. Before you can optimize your content, you need to gather the data. This can include website analytics, social media analytics, email marketing metrics, and any other relevant information. Some key metrics to look at include traffic sources. Where's your traffic coming from? Which channels are driving the most traffic? Engagement. Are people engaging with your content? Which pieces of content are getting the most likes, comments, and shares? Conversion rates. How many people are taking action after viewing your content? This could be signing up for a newsletter or purchasing a product. Audience demographics. Who is your audience? What age range, gender, and geographic location do they fall under? To gather the data, use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and email marketing software platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact. Step 2. Analyze the data. With the data in hand, it's time to analyze it. Look for patterns, trends, and areas for improvement. For example, if you notice that a particular post or social media post generated more engagement than others, analyze why that is. Is it because the topic is particularly popular among your audience? Is it because of the tone or style of your content? By answering these questions, you can identify areas where you need to make changes to your content strategy. Another example is analyzing your audience demographics. If you realize that a particular age range or geography engages more with your content than others, it helps you craft content that caters to those audiences. Step 3. Make changes. Now that you have identified areas for improvement, it's time to make changes to your content. Creating more content around popular topics and themes is a great way to engage with more of your audience. If you notice that your visuals are performing better than written articles, you can experiment with infographics, videos, or other visual content formats. Adjusting the timing of your content posts to maximize engagement is also a great way to improve the reach of your content. Posting during peak hours on social media and sending emails at the right time of the day can increase the chances of your content being seen and engaged with. Improving the user experience on your website to increase conversion rates is another important consideration. Improvements can include simplifying the website design, streamlining the checkout process, or investing in user-friendly features. Step 4. Measure and repeat. The final step is to measure the impact of your changes and repeat the process. Continuously monitor your data and metrics to see how your content is performing. This will allow you to adjust your strategy over time and ensure that you are always optimizing your content based on the latest data insights. Conclusion. Optimizing content based on data insights is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and analysis. By regularly gathering and analyzing data, you can better understand your audience and create content that resonates with them. Remember to make changes that align with your overall content strategy and goals. Always measure the impact of your changes. With the right approach, you can optimize your content for maximum impact and engagement. Therefore, be sure to tailor your content to the interests and preferences of your audience and test and experiment with different content types and formats. Finally, be sure to measure success using key metrics such as website traffic, new versus returning visitors, bounce rate, social engagement, and conversion rate.